Hi, my name is Torben Bæk. I'm co-owner and CEO of DYNAJET in Denmark. In the spring 2025, we heard that DYNAJET was closing by the former owners. We were asked by former customers if we were interested to continue the business, and I did, together with a friend of mine, decide to take over DYNAJET and move it to Denmark.
My name is Carsten Hansen and I'm the head of sales in DYNAJET. The whole company has been moved from Germany to Denmark now, and we try to contact the old customers and make sure that they knew that they could contact us.
My name is Alex Savinov. I'm from Germany, and I'm currently working as a technical manager in DYNAJET A in Denmark. I've been working in Germany in the research and development department, and I've developed and changed stuff on the old machines. I have the most knowledge about them and knowledge about the parts and everything we've been using in the machines. And now I'm currently doing the service and currently looking for the same quality as we did in Germany.
It has been a really great journey. We succeeded, packed down a company in South Germany, moved it to Denmark, 25 fully loaded trucks. We built new factory halls, new office, built up a new organization, new IT systems. It has been a great process. Today DYNAJET is up running. We have an organization with sales, purchase, bookkeeping, engineering, technical department. We have production, we have stock.
We try to maintain the old DYNAJET values and keep the customers first.
So I'm pretty sure that the company will do great in the future. I can see the improvements right now and how it's going, and that we are open to do even better.
We are here to support our customers and our partners in the whole world. We will be here with both technical support, sales and service, and we are ready to support with spare parts and knowledge.